So yan, natin naman kami ng debut ni Jillian. Yan, dito sa
Ate Jillian!
Marlapas. Si Ate Jillian. Nay, doon, sa kabila. Doon sa ano. Ayan. Mother. Ayun. Jared!
So to formally welcome
Jared!
everyone, may I call on the mother of our debutant, my sister, my kumare, Sisier Panjalan, to welcome us, everyone here.
Sana si Jelan.
Dito, dito.
Wala naman si Jelan. Wala naman si Jelan.
Hello. Hello. Good evening, everyone.
Ayun si Ate
On
Jillian.
behalf of the family, thank you so
Wala si
much
Daddy
for being here
Omen.
tonight. Your presence means so much to us. We are truly grateful that you
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng umattend dito sa simpleng selebrasyon ng aking unikaiha.
Ay, pala si Jelan.
Daddy loves you so much. Organization.
Muka-model si Ate Jelan.
Lana, I wish for you is success in be a good girl. Wala mo ng boyfriend. Yun lang. Thank you sa lahat ng kapatid.
Alright, so thank you po sa kanyang daddy. Ayun, agad na tumatak sa akin, walang boyfriend. Bakit ganun? Lagi na lang pagka babae, sabihin, wag muna mag-boyfriend. Paano pagka mga lalaki kagaya nito, kagagwa ko? Di wag din muna mag-girlfriend. Is dedicated roses. Roses symbolize love, admiration, friendship, and respect. Our debutant will present a rose and share a dance with her. So let us call our hated
Hindi kaganda ng
roses
bako,
to
tapos may
prepare the
flowers.
dance. So let us begin with Kuya RJ. So Kuya RJ is the eldest son of CCS and Romel, the
Si
Kuya
Mother.
of
Hindi ako
Jill.
kasama.
Si Father.
Bebe.
Si Jared. Jared.
Kukunin si ano. Kuya!
Paano mo pa?
Okay, so next is Jared.
Dance, dance yan. Okay. Wow. Ang kulit mo. Picture, bebe.
Okay, next in line is Angel Panjalan or Angel. Arby is a giving friend of children. Or Kristen Sen for the next week. Suzanne is daddy's girl. That's why her father will be the last. Suzanne. Alright, get ready. All the 18 roses.